Right now, I'm financially free. Look at me.
What would an extra 5,000 Rand mean to you? For most South Africans, even while working full time, keeping up with the increasing living costs is extremely difficult. Most people are buying groceries using debt. And now they struggle to service that debt. They can't afford fuel. They're struggling to get by on the school fees. Salary increases is not guaranteed, nor a Christmas bonus. And then there is DuPoint, a wonderful, proudly South African registered licensed company that pays its wealth engineers clockwise on the 17th of every single month since 2016. I only started with 339 Rand every single month. And that's a small price to pay for financial freedom. If you are curious to know more, WhatsApp me 062 175 0825 and I promise to send you the free information that got me started.